Hi everyone, welcome to the Maya's channel. Today I'm going to cook meal which has meal maker in it, and this is requested one of the favorite viewer Swada, and also by my son. It's coincidence, so today I'm going to cook for them. Here is my little succulent. I just love this. Meal maker biryani or meal maker rice. We need some veggies. Here I've taken some beans and one carrot and one onion and one potato. I'll put this into the water, added with salt so that the color doesn't change. Approximately these two, it is more than 2 cups. So if I'm taking 1.5 rice, I like to put at least 3 cups of other ingredients, at least double. So I've taken today 1.5 cup rice. I've soaked the rice and drained the water. And here comes the main ingredient, meal makers or soya chunks. I've soaked it for 10 minutes in hot water and squeezed it. And the spices we need today: here are the herbs. This is chutney or minced or crushed mint, coriander or cilantro, and green chilies. This is approximately 2 large spoons. And I have taken 1 spoon ginger garlic and half spoon garam masala and 2 spoons salt and half spoon red chili powder, because I have already taken some green chilies in this, and 1.5 spoon butter. I'm going to take at least 4 spoons oil. I'm going to heat the pan. Once my pot is getting ready, I'm going to add oil, 3 to 4 spoons. We need a little extra oil in this. That's the reason I'm going to add butter. Once it is heated, I'm going to add all my spices together. And mix it well. I could like to fry all my spices little bit. That gives good taste. I'm going to add first potatoes. Next I'm going to add soya chunks. I want to mix this well and let it get cooked for at least 5 minutes so that my potatoes get crispy and even the chunks will absorb the spices. It's very important to get the potatoes little bit fried. I'm adding all my veggies. I'm going to add even rice. Mix it well. Mixed it well and covering with a lid. And let's wait for 5 to 7 minutes. It's been getting cooked for 6 minutes and let me check. It's very important this stage because the veggies and the rice get soaked with all spices. I'm adding hot water. Just the rice has to get covered because already the rice got soaked and it contains water, and even the veggies and the chunks, soya chunks, does have some water contained. So little, just enough to get covered is more than enough. Once water gets absorbed, cover with lid and simmer it. Let's check. It looks done. Smells yummy. Looks very tasty. Let me serve into bowl. Let me do the taste test. So my meal maker, biryani or rice ready to get tasted. Tastes too good. Check it out and try my recipe, and description is given in the description box. And if you like this dish, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for new recipes notifications. Thank you for watching.